Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of a retro classic cake which is pineapple upside down cake. It has spongy, buttery pineapple cake topped with caramelized pineapples and cherries. This is the best tea cake and do give a try. Without further ado, let's get started. I have taken an 8-inch round baking pan. Grease the pan with oil or butter and line it with parchment paper. Well, the canned pineapples is the star of this cake. It's easily available in Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description below. I would suggest use canned pineapples and not the fresh one. Canned pineapples will have syrup and which we'll be using for the cake. This gives extra flavor to the cake. These are the canned pineapple slices and we can make variety of desserts out of it. For this recipe, I need 4 pineapple slices. First, I'm going to prepare pineapple caramel topping. For that, heat a pan and add in 60 grams of butter. Once the butter begins to melt, add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Cook it in low flame until the sugar melts in the butter. The brown sugar has melted perfectly. Add the brown sugar and the butter mix into the baking pan. Now arrange the pineapple slices on top of the brown sugar and the butter mix. Well, the quantity of pineapple slices depends on the size of the baking tin. If you're using 9-inch baking pan means you will need more pineapple slices. Now place in the cherries in the middle of the pineapple slices. These are canned cherries and are available in Amazon. Pineapple layer is ready, so I'll keep it aside and prepare the cake batter. Take 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a sieve. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes a pinch of salt. Sieve the flour mix so that everything combines well. The dry ingredient is ready now. Take a large mixing bowl and add in 100 grams of butter. This is unsalted butter. Beat the butter using an electric beater until it turns soft. Add in 1 cup of sugar little by little and continue beating. Add in 3 eggs one by one and beat well. I'm adding 1 egg and beating it nicely with the electric beater. Once the first egg is beaten well, add in the second egg, so do not add all the 3 eggs in one go. You could see the batter has turned cream color and it has risen. Add in half a teaspoon of pineapple essence. In goes 2 to 3 drops of yellow food color. The sponginess of the cake depends on how well we are beating this egg and the sugar mix. This is half a cup of pineapple syrup which I took from the canned pineapple. Now add in the flour mix little by little and mix it with spatula. Do not use electric beater once you start mixing the flour. Alternatively, add in the pineapple syrup and mix the batter gently. So basically, I'm adding in the flour mix as well as the pineapple syrup alternatively and mixing it gently. This should be the text of the cake batter. The cake batter is ready and let's bake the cake. Transfer the cake batter on top of the pineapple slices. Spread it evenly with the spatula. Baking time is very important for this cake. Bake it for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Then reduce the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and bake it for 15 minutes. Look at it friends, the cake has baked perfectly. So the total baking time is 45 minutes. Cool the cake for exactly 10 minutes and run a knife along the sides of the pan. Cool the cake for exactly 10 minutes or else the caramelized pineapple slices will stick to the pan. Flip the pan and remove the cake. You will see the beauty of pineapple upside down cake now. Remove the parchment paper from the cake. Look at it, friends. The beautiful, stunning pineapple upside down cake is ready to be served now. The texture of this cake is so spongy and definitely you will love this. Do try this cake and share me the feedback. This cake is moist and spongy. If you try this cake, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Pineapple upside down cake goes well with a cup of coffee. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.